Wow, there.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Banana. And
Are you peeling an egg?
yeah.
Are you going to peel your egg and eat it?
Yeah.
No, peel the egg first, then eat it. Peel.
But they done.
Yeah, well, you already ate a whole egg, and you said you wanted another one.
And my mama eat.
Mama doesn't want to eat the yolk.
No.
Need some help?
Yeah. Who's that?
It's the camera.
Mama.
It's Mama's camera, yeah.
We're eating. We're eating. Why is this eating?
Yeah, it has some ABCs on it. You think you can get it now?
Yeah.
Let's get the whole peel off before you eat it.